Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to use a PS4 controller wirelessly with your PS3. First, connect your PS4 controller to the PS3 using a standard USB cable. Once connected, navigate to the Accessory Settings menu on your PS3 console. From there, select Manage Bluetooth Devices and then Register New Device. This initial wired connection is crucial for the system to recognize the controller before wireless pairing. After the initial registration, you can disconnect the USB cable. Now, on your PS4 controller, simultaneously press and hold the PS button and the share button until the light bar begins to flash rapidly. On your PS3, select Scan for Bluetooth devices. When wireless controller appears in the list, select it to complete the pairing process. Your controller should now be connected wirelessly. While the PS4 controller works, there are some limitations to be aware of. The PS button will not function to access the PS3 XMB menu or power off the console. Additionally, rumble features and motion sensing capabilities are not supported. Some PS3 games might also have limited or no compatibility, so testing with your favorite titles is recommended for the best experience. To reconnect your PS4 controller after it's been turned off, simply press the PS button. Ensure your PS3 Bluetooth is always enabled for a seamless connection. If you desire full functionality, including rumble and PS button access, consider using a third-party adapter specifically designed for this purpose. These adapters often provide a more complete experience for your gaming sessions.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.